Welcome to English Learning from Scratch Phrasal Verb series. Today we learn carry out, which means to perform or execute something. This phrasal verb is very common in formal English. Carry out means to perform or execute a task, plan, or instruction. It shows completing something you promised or were told to do. Think of it as doing a specific job completely. Employees must carry out their boss's orders. This means workers follow instructions completely. Scientists are carrying out important experiments. This shows doing research work carefully. The company will carry out repairs next week. This means they will fix things as planned. Doctors carried out a successful operation. This shows completing medical work well. Carry out means the same as perform, execute, implement, complete, or accomplish. All these words show doing a task fully. Use them when you finish work successfully. Police will carry out a full investigation. This means they do complete checking. Researchers are carrying out climate studies. This shows doing scientific work carefully. QA team will carry out security tests. This means checking safety completely. We need to carry out a risk assessment. This shows examining dangers fully in business. Carry out is formal, used in business, science, and official situations. It is always separable, so say carry it out, not carry out it. Perfect for professional English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.